So here we have a brand new Aermotor windmill. Gonna look at the date on here. It says 26 is the date, and then 036 would be the number of gearbox that it is for the year. So this is the 36th gearbox that Aermotor produced in 2026. So it is brand new. This is the rain cover. A lot of people ask if this type of windmill gets a rain cover. This is what it looks like. We're going to take the top nut off. So you can see the gears in here. It is brand new. We're going to go ahead and put some oil in it. Get this thirsty girl some oil. We are putting in a 10 weight non-detergent oil. This is what they recommend from the factory. You're going to want to put 2 quarts of oil in on the 8-foot model. This is the 8-foot model. Pretty simple. Check out that oil ring going up and down. So each time this touches the pull gear, it brings just enough of oil up around to lubricate this top shaft. There are some little holes inside this wheel that allow the oil to lubricate inside there. Very cool, very simple. On a service, what I typically do is go around and oil all the pivot points. This is the tail here. This is the part that is behind the fan. So I'll go through and oil anywhere that's going to pivot. This is the furl lever down here. This is the part the brake wire attaches to. Guys are getting ready to set the brake, so we'll pull that down next. Okay, we're gonna apply the brake now. We'll see the tail pull in parallel. All right, go ahead and set the brake. So now the tail is pulled in parallel with the fan. So now it'll still pivot like a weather vane. It just doesn't let the fan stay into the face of the wind. It's pretty cool.